Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mark all of your emails as read on your AOL mail account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in mail.aol.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official AOL Mail website. If you haven't already logged into your account, click on the login button at the top right corner and then proceed with your credentials. And after entering your account credentials, you will be logged into your mail account. Now, from the home page, click on the inbox menu at the left side and you will find all of your emails that are within your inbox. Now, within the email list, if you see the sender as well as the subject in a bold letter, then this means that these emails have not been read so far. If you wish to mark all of these emails in your inbox as they have been read, then you will need to click on the checkbox at the top section, which will select all of your inbox emails. Once you have selected all of these emails, click on the More option at the top right corner and then click on Mark as Read. This will now change the bold fonts onto the regular ones, which means that these emails have now been marked as emails that have already been read. You can change their settings back to unread by once again clicking on the checkbox to select all of these emails, and from the More option you will also find the option to mark as unread. You can click on this and your email will once again be marked as an unread email. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to mark all of your emails as emails that have been read on your AOL account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.